Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. Thank you for the time to join and watching my presentation today. Let me to introduce myself first. My name is Panema Demelariani. I'm from Ganesha University of Education and my study program is English Language Education. Today I am going to do a presentation. My topic presentation is about education problems in Indonesia. If you have any question, you can ask me in question session after my presentation is finished. Alright, I will to explain you about the supporting section of the topic. The first is the quality of education in Indonesia. The second is education relevant. The third is equality and educational opportunity in Indonesia. The fourth is some of the problems that are often faced by the education sector. And the last is solution and several government steps to education to deal with education problem in Indonesia. My presentation will take about 7 minutes. First, before that, I will explain the gist of each slide and the rest you can read on the slide. Alright, I will to start my presentation today. Education is a learning knowledge, skill, and habit a group of people which is passed down from one generation to the next through teaching, training, or research. The education problem that often occur in Indonesia are: the first material is the quality of education in Indonesia. The quality of education is the quality or measure of good or bad in the life process of changing the attitude and behavior of a person or group. And then, what is the cause of the problem of the low quality of education in Indonesia? The first is the low quality of the physical facilities and infrastructure of education. The next is second, the low quality and welfare of teachers. The third is the assessment of students. The fourth is, and the last, the expensive cost of education. Alright, the next material or the second material is education relevant in Indonesia. The problem of relevance can be seen from the number of graduates from certain educational units who are not ready in terms of cognitive and technical abilities to continue to higher education units. Relevant issue relate to the first is teaching efficiency in Indonesia. Some efficiency problem that occur in education. The first is the high cost of education. The second is the Chinese education system. The third is the teaching time is too long and inefficiency. The second is effectiveness of education in Indonesia. The effectiveness of education in Indonesia is still low. One of the causes is absence of clear educational goals before learning activity are carried out. The third material is about equality and opportunity in Indonesia. Equality contains the meaning of equality of opportunity to obtain education, while equality means justice in obtaining equal educational opportunity among various groups in society. Alright, I will to the next for the fourth material, some of the problems that are often faced by the educational sector. The first is limited capacity, the second is damage to facility and infrastructure, the third is lack of teaching staffs, the fourth is limited budget, and the last is conventional learning process. From the problem of educational opportunity, it is the ratio of the people accommodated in educational institution in Indonesia. Alright, and the last material about the first is the solution to the educational problem. The first is systematic solution. Systematic solution is a solution by changing the social system related to educational system. The next is technical solution. Technical solution is a solution concerning technical matters directly related to education. The next or the second material in the last is several government steps to deal with education problem in Indonesia. The first is improve access to the community to be able to enjoy education in Indonesia. The second is improve the quality of education by improving the quality of a teaching staff, such as teacher and letters. The third is provide scholarship or tuition waiver for underprivileged students so that they can enjoy the facility available at school. The fourth is editing the number types of education in the file of competence and profession of vocational schools to prepare works who are ready to be needed in the world of work. The last is planning infrastructure development such as editing the number of computer and library in each school. So many of my presentation today, I will give a conclusion of this topic for my presentation today. Alright, the conclusion is so the educational problems that occur especially in Indonesia are caused by several factors such as the quality, relevance of education and the assistance of educational quality, and the problem of opportunity which is factor in the main problem of this topic. Educational problem can be solved by using the steps provided by the government and solutions such as increasing some access or facility and infrastructure that support education. And most importantly, the government must provide scholarship and reduce education costs for underprivileged students so that they can continue their education to higher level. That's all for the conclusion today. And now I will to start the question session. If you have any question, please ask me. If there are no question, I will close my presentation today. So here I show the reference list where I get a source of information about my topic today's material. Alright, thank you for your attention and see you for the next material or presentation. Thank you.